Are you the self-proclaimed nice girl? The one who is always doing the absolute most, going above and beyond to grow your worth? You probably think that by being too nice, people will like you more, or that guy you've been seeing will finally realize you are the one. But let's be real, you are exotic. You feel like a human doormat, constantly walked all over by people who don't even say thank you. Welcome back to CLASSY MUSE. Today we are breaking down the legendary principles from the book Why Men Love Tches. This book completely shifted my perspective on dating, and it's about to change yours too. Because the truth is, the only people who love a people pleaser are the ones looking to take advantage of them. Today we are reclaiming your power in moving from doormat to dream girl. Let's dive in. There is a story in the book that literally stopped me in my tracks. It's about a friend of the author. This girl was dropped at gorgeous model material, but despite her looks, she was incredibly insecure. She fell into the trap of over-functioning to prove she was worthy. One night, she is at her boyfriend's house, cleaning his apartment. They got into a huge argument, and he said something incredibly nasty to her. And guess what our model friend did? She said, "That's real, but let me finish your laundry before I leave." When the guy was interviewed later, he said he knew he was wrong, but he was actually testing her. He wanted to see if she would stand up for herself or tolerate his disrespect. When she stayed to finish the laundry, he lost all respect for her. Why? Because she didn't respect herself. Being a bitch in this context doesn't mean being mean. It means having standards. It means being a woman who stays true to her boundaries. A doormat lets a man get away with anything because she's afraid he will leave. A dream girl would have walked out the second she seen disrespect. In fact, she probably wouldn't have been playing housekeeper at his apartment in the first place. She would be getting the princess treatment on a proper date. One of my favorite lessons from the book is this: just because you can do everything doesn't mean you should. You have two arms. You are perfectly capable of opening a heavy door or carrying your own bag. But when you allow a man to be a gentleman, you are saying you are weak. You are allowing him to be a man. You are giving him the space to show you his chivalry. I see so many women falling into the hyper-independence trap. Trust me, I'm not proud to say I've been there too. Back in high school, I was so desperate to prove I had together that I insisted on paying for every date. I was so busy proving myself to him that I forgot to let him prove he deserved me. Looking back, I realized I was overcompensating because my family was going through a tough financial time. I felt like a burden at home, so I didn't want to be a burden to the guy I was dating. But here's the secret: if you see yourself as a burden, people will treat you like one. If you see yourself as the bride, the world will treat you like the bride. Too many of us are putting men on a pedestal when we should be the ones sitting on it. When you are genuinely believe you are the bride, you are too busy pouring into your own life to chase anyone. This brings us to the core of feminine energy: attraction versus chasing. Everything you chase will run away from you. It's the law of nature. Masculine energy is about the hunt, chase. Feminine energy is the magnet force that draws things in. When you focus on your own happiness and set high standards, you become so magnetic that people naturally want to be part of your world. If you are doing it right, it should feel easy. You shouldn't be wearing yourself out trying to win someone over. You are the destination, not the runner. So it's time to stop being the nice girl who finishes the laundry for a man who doesn't respect her. Start becoming the woman who knows her worth. You deserve the princess treatment, but it starts with how you treat yourself. Here at CLASSY MUSE, we are on a mission to have 1 million women master their feminine energy and find the love they truly deserve. To help you get started, I put together a special gift. I written a free ebook on how to make him fall in love. It's a step-by-step guide on how to save your energy and attract a high-quality man without the games or the doormat behavior. You can download it for free right now at the link in the description, classymuse.com/free. Please grab it now before it's gone. If this video made you realize you have been a bit of doormat lately, drop a heart in the comments to let me know you are choosing yourself today. I read all your comments and they mean the world to me. Thank you for tuning in. Stay hard, magnetic, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.